Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for June 2022. In this class, we will be creating 6 fun fold cards with your choice of either the Sweet Songbirds bundle, Hello Ladybug bundle, and Best Butterflies bundle. You get to choose which bundle you want to use. You can purchase these items from my Stampin' Up! Online store, and the link is below in the description. I hope you decide to join me. It is going to be a great class. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out. So I'm going to share with you each card that I made and in each of the bundles so that you can decide which bundle you want to use to create these cards. I'm also going to share with you the fun fold for each card, and there are 6 different fun folds. So here is the first card, and the fun fold, it's a double card fold. And here it is in Hello Ladybug. Here it is in Best Butterflies and in Sweet Songbirds. Here is the second card. It is kind of like a tri-fold card with a top hinge. And here it is in the Best Butterflies, the Sweet Songbirds, and Hello Ladybug. Here is the third card. Here it is in Sweet Songbirds. Another fun thing we're going to be doing in this class is we'll be learning some fun ways to use the stamp sets as well. So you can see here that we're creating a bumblebee instead of a ladybug for this card. So there'll be some fun variations to those stamp sets. And this one for Best Butterflies. Here you can see that we're going to be creating some flowers with the punches or dies and the stamps. So a little different twist on the elements in those bundles. So that one was Best Butterflies, and this one is the Hello Ladybug. And then the last one is Sweet Songbirds. So this one is a fun and unique fun fold. The front has a locking mechanism and it opens like that. And then you close it by tucking it back inside that little hole there. So really cute and a fun surprise. And this is the Sweet Songbirds. Then we've got the Best Butterflies. And the Hello Ladybugs. Just like that, really fun card. And then the last card is a pocket card. So a fun little message can come out. There are actually 2 pockets here, so one in the front and one in the back. These cards are great for gift cards. So this one is the Hello Ladybug. Here is the Best Butterflies and the Sweet Songbirds. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It's going to be a fun class. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will also be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog, and the link is below in the description. This class will run from Monday, June 6th through Saturday, June 11th. We will be meeting each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is in the description below. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, May 21st. Sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include pre-cut cardstock, envelopes, a new pack of the Fun Flowers Resin Shapes, a new roll of fresh Freesia open weave ribbon, and 12 sheets of 6x6 Butterfly Kisses Designer Series paper. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock-only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the ribbon and embellishments. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog, and the link is below in the description. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of June 6th. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the cards and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You are going to want to choose one of these 3 bundles. They are Sweet Songbirds bundle, which includes a punch, the Hello Ladybug bundle, which also includes a coordinating punch, or the Best Butterflies bundle, which includes dies. And if you do choose to do the Best Butterflies, you will also need to have a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. You will need these 7 ink pads, some black ink. I like to use the Memento Black, fresh Freesia, Calypso Coral, crushed curry, Starry Sky. This is one of the new 2022-2024 in colors. Parakeet Party, which is also another new in color. And Crumb Cake. Here are the tools you will need. You will want to have a paper trimmer. And if you're using the Best Butterflies bundle, then you will want a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. You can choose the mini or the regular size. Then I also like to have ribbon scissors as well as a pair of paper snips. My favorite tools: take a pick tool and a bone folder, an arrangement of clear blocks, and then my favorite adhesives. I like the Stampin' Seal or the Stampin' Seal Plus, some dimensionals, tear and tape, mini glue dots, and some liquid glue. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.